Ooh, cow. Okay, show us the farm tour part 4. Last one.
The last time they were trying this too. Here, come here, bud. Come on. No, you just gotta sit there. Okay.
I'm not touching that fence.
It's not an electric
You
fence.
tried hitting my thing.
It's not an electric fence. That's just a trailer. We use it mainly for wood. That's a hay rake to rake the hay. That's a gooseneck trailer that we use for hauling the hay bales. That's just a trailer that hasn't moved in 2 years. That trailer we use for hauling the goats to the fair or taking them to the fair. That trailer we use to put the golf cart on, take camping. And this trailer, well, I don't really know. We just kind of use it for mainly stacking hay, stacking square rows. You'll walk over here.
Why are you speed running this? I see a hole.
Don't jump in that.
Do you want to do? Go. Wow.
If you come over here,
Now I see why I don't want to go down it.
I'll talk about it in a minute. Just come here.
Do you want to build a hole?
So,
Wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. Do you want to
all
build a
of these
snowman?
bullet holes are actually from me shooting a 20 gauge slug into a target.
Bam,
I don't know
bam.
Now the target's not here anymore. That might be the target.
It was the target.
Was. It's been outside for like 20 years. Feels like anyways. These weren't
Bam.
my shots, so this one's not the right paper.
Piece of junk.
Go. There's multiple reasons you don't want to go in here. Oh God,
I see why.
Mud in my shoe. No, this is trash hole. I dug this with the backhoe.
Oh, I was about to say, just take a shovel and go. There's no way.
Actually, part of it was a shovel. Like over there was a shovel. So we
Do
throw
you
stuff
want to
down
build
here
a
and then we burn it.
shovel?
And then we burn it from all the burn marks. We had rotten eggs down here. We threw like 50 of them. Actually, more than 50, like 100.
I want to throw one.
You don't want to throw a rotten egg.
Why?
It smells. Okay, well, Tristan.
Kill all noses.
I wouldn't climb.
Kill all noses. Kill.
All right, now do a jump.
Whoa.
Okay, now play some Tristan-made elevator music while I clean my shoes.
Do,
Oh, hold up. You have to look away. Feet picks, you know. Okay.
Why do feet picks give you a strike?
Inappropriate.
Do. Where are we going now? Okay, lightsaber, you need to stay here. Be right back, light.
Isn't that funny?
No.
It's a baby trailer.
Oh, it's a dead trailer.
It is a dead trailer.
Why don't we just drive the fort? Oh, yeah.
Because you said no and two.
I never said no. You said no.
Back here, so it's lucky that y'all don't smell.
It doesn't smell.
Oh, you'll smell it.
Okay.
I don't know if there's any.
This is like the back of, this is like the very back of the farm where things get less interesting.
Actually, it gets more interesting.
Then a pond and a lake house
Being back here,
and cows and goats and cheese pigs.
things are different, very different. We don't go here much, but all of this woods is like, oh God, it's a lot. So I don't know if we have any fresh skulls. Oh, we do. Come on over here.
I'm right behind you.
This will be used. It's just sitting here momentarily. I have to cow skull.
Pyramidal.
Bro, there's one in the tree right behind me. That's a skull tree. It is alive. It's not a dead tree too. Our old skull tree died though.
Poor cow.
Don't kick it. That's being mean.
But it's dead. Okay.
Yeah, like I could take this butt bone and throw it. This is a butt, by the way. I don't need butts around here. Oh, what's this? See, there's so many bones around here. What? Yeah, don't worry about it. You know how many dead animals are back here?
No.
Yes. Let me see.
How come the dead tree only has 2 animals on
Not
it?
dead.
No, like the dead skull tree. You said
It's not dead.
You said it was the dead tree.
That's not the dead tree. The old skull tree died. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Right there.
Ah.
Also, it has 3 dead skulls on it.
Oh yeah. One looks like a baby turtle.
It's not a turtle.
Oh no, that's definitely not a turtle. Oh yeah, you gave me a skull. I still have it in my case, I think.
You said it's shattered.
No, I didn't.
Well, you want it?
No. Fashion.
Here,
Let's go. All right,
Let's keep
show us.
looking. Let's look for one more bone real quick.
No. We need to go to the next area. I'm going.
Wow!
Dumpster. Oh, never mind. Not a dumpster. Come on, we need to finish the video soon.
Look what I found.
All right, we need to finish the video soon. Come on.
Hold up. Just keep going. Grain feeder. How much longer are we planning this video to be?
Just finish up. Just try to finish up the video. Come on. Just try to finish.
We got a lot more places to go.
We do?
We might have to make a part 5.
No. Oh no, we don't need to make a part 5.
Oh, we're making a part 5.
No.
Okay, well then
This
we're gonna
video
make a
can
long
just be extra long.
extra long.
It's only at 7 minutes.
So do we want to go straight or do we want to take the fun route?
Fun route.
All right, let's go. It's a longer way, but it's fun.
Fun. No.
Hey!
Who knows what that is? Just go.
It's Grandpa. Grandpa! Grandpa!
Right there. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Let's keep it.
Come on.
Hi!
Fanboy.
Grandpa!
Just go. Come on. Ah.
Don't touch that fence.
Alright, if the video looks shaky, it's because I'm using my left hand because my right hand decided to cramp. Fun. Yeah, fence right here. I'm not touching that. Yep, I'm not touching that.
Well, I don't actually know if it's on. Yeah, it's on. I heard it shock.
Wait, throw a stick at it.
Oh. Grandpa's coming down here.
Did you hear that? That was cool. Another stick. Fine. Ah. Coming. Use my left hand, so video might look a little shaky because I'm a right-handed guy, like most people. Alright guys, we're just waiting here. Oh, I wanted to throw sticks at it and see go.
Checking the fence.
Okay.
It still goes. Just stop, okay? There. Now stop, because it's bad for the fence. You know how many times we've replaced this fence in 3 weeks?
98.999 times.
No, 28.
Okay.
Alright, let's go back to what we were.
Ah!
Don't step in that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, there's a fork in our path. Oh no, we cannot continue.
11, 12, 13. Susan, don't touch that. It's interesting.
Oh, okay.
15.
It doesn't look like it's alive. Just like the fungus.
19. Alright, I got you. 20. 21. 22. 23.
How is this the fun path?
25.
There's nothing fun about the path.
It's in the woods.
Oh,
9.
okay.
Oh, so there's about 30 deer stripes here. That means that there's been a lot of bucks around.
How could they get past the fence? How could they get past this fence? Huh.
We're not done though.
Oh. Okay.
Like I said, it's gonna be either a long video or a 2-minute video.
A friend decided to club along on my foot.
Who? Oh.
Go by 6. You ain't getting away from me this time.
I'm not even trying.
Oh, I remember this part over here. We used to I have to lean this way. Oh, that was back in the youth ages.
So we'll probably still ride down here later.
Hopefully.
What? I've rode down this trail so many times.
Well, then why don't you let me ride down with you?
Because the ranger, I don't take it down here. You'll find out why later.
We're riding the 4-wheeler.
I know. The 4-wheeler we are going to take down here in a bit. Don't go that way.
Not in the video, though.
That is a
Can
trail.
we just finish it because there's nothing else?
Oh, there's actually a lot more. We're going to need to make a part 2, my guy.
Okay.
See y'all.